Pacific Northwest morning. Just trying another full self-driving experiment. In fact, I can see up ahead, this will be interesting, we're entering a school zone with a reduced speed limit. I don't know if it will even see those. Now luckily all the other cars are going slow, so we'll just adapt. But I don't think it would see and react to that temporary speed limit. Like I said, all the other cars are going slow, so we're adhering to the temporary speed limit around the school zone here. Obviously, if it hadn't recognised it, I would have taken control and making sure that, especially in a school zone, watching out for the speed limit and for kids. Abrupt braking. I don't think the car in front of me slowed quite as much as that. And I was watching the car behind me, who fortunately have tons of room, so there was no risk there, but still more abrupt braking than I would imagine. So that's always nice and easy coming down in this nice straight road. Here we'll get a little bit more different with more intersections, traffic lights. Oftentimes other cars entering and exiting this road onto side roads and driveways. Signal here to pull over. There's other cars behind me. Is it going to go? No, it's not, so I'm just going to take over manually, change lanes, let other cars, and then put it back in autopilot. Or full self-driving rather. Okay, so I was going to say, this is kind of unusual to see this much traffic at this intersection, and I can see through now. It looks like there's been an accident and the intersection is closed, and maybe even the road ahead is closed and cars are being taken off on a side road. So I'll very likely take control here. I don't know how it's going to deal with this. Oh, okay, so we're merging over into this middle lane. I don't think it's going to deal with this at all well. Huh, on the screen I can see the other car in front of me signaling. Alright, I'm just going to take control here. Oh, this looks nasty. In fact, it's another Tesla. was in that crash. Hope everybody's okay. Okay, back out of that area. I'll put FSD back on again. So it's things like that. How is it going to deal with unusual, like non-standard events? I just, like, I don't see how, maybe with enough training it will recognize all those different types of events. But is how is the full self-driving computer going to anticipate and react to the almost infinite number of different types of events that you can come across while driving. We'll see. Okay, I didn't handle this particularly well last time. Is it going to signal and come off? Nope, no signal. I just hit the, I don't know what, file a bug or send a report button or something. Bit concerned here that it's going to get in all the wrong lanes. And with all of these other cars around, I feel like we've already started, so I'm going to take it out of autopilot here. See if a person's going to let me over. So just one more left-hand turn coming up here at this traffic light controlled intersection. This is very often a flashing yellow light But this morning it's been a little bit of a mixed bag, I have to say. Let's see if it's going to go for it. But, you know, I'm just going to take control. I don't want to dilly-dally here. Been a little bit of a mixed bag this morning. I'll do some editing and upload this a little bit later. I hope you enjoy it. Bye for now.